Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to viewers on onespotmedia.com. We begin this evening with a TVJ News follow-up. The main suspect in the brutal murder of 14-year-old Price Johnson is in custody. Amanda Linda has been on the run for 2 days after being linked to the killing. Amid that development is also a call from the CPFSA for parents to ensure their children are never left in vulnerable situations. The details in this report.
The suspect was picked up around 3:50 Sunday afternoon along Crescent Road by detectives. He was in the company of relatives at the time. The police believe the man is responsible for the murder and rape of Price Johnson at her Palm Grove Court apartment on Spanish Town Road on February 6. It's reported that the man forcefully entered the apartment and attacked the Haile Selassie High School student with a blunt object. Some residents have claimed the man has mental issues. Persons with information relevant to the case are being encouraged to come forward and assist. The investigation is being led by the Hunts Bay Criminal Investigation Branch. The Child Protection and Family Services Agency, CPFSA, in the meantime, is calling for greater vigilance and support from community members in the fight to protect Jamaica's children from predators. Lorette Adams-Thomas is the Chief Executive Officer.
This must be a wake-up call. We must return to the values that once defined us. A community that looks out for its children, that intervenes when something seems amiss, and that does not stand by while evil takes root in our midst.
The CEO also issued a strong call to parents and guardians to ensure that their children are never left in vulnerable situations.
We understand that parents have obligations, but wherever possible, children should always be in the care of a responsible adult, or they might just become easy targets for those who seek to harm them.
Nakinski Robinson, TVJ News.